Prosciutto Cotto Pinwheels.
So I'm starting with the creamy portion of my Prosciutto Cotto Pinwheels, and these are, I'm telling you, super fun. I'm gonna actually take some fresh ricotta, and you can buy it every day. They make it all the time. You can buy it in different sizes, and we're gonna mix it up with some flavors. We're gonna chop some rosemary, because we're gonna give it a little bit of a piney flavor. Rosemary grows wild around here. Because we're by the water, so all that sea air, it makes for rosemary to have a lot of flavor and a wonderful aroma. Mix that all together. Maybe a little Parmesan cheese. Again, some fresh Parmigiano. And then a little bit of olive oil just to kind of loosen it up a bit. So the ricotta is done. Now, time for a little giardiniera. You buy this at the grocery store. You can buy this anywhere, at home too. And it's basically just Italian-style pickled vegetables. So peppers, carrots, and pickles, fennel. They use a lot of fennel here, and celery. And it kind of depends on the brand that you buy. You'll find different vegetables in it. Okay, so now we've got our giardiniera. We have all our pieces to make in our pinwheel. So now I'm gonna grab my prosciutto cotto. Prosciutto cotto is just cooked ham. Cotto means cooked. Prosciutto is what we call ham. So the prosciutto that we know at home, it's not cooked, but here they have also cooked. Then we take a little bit of the ricotta, just like that. I'm gonna grab my offset spatula and make it a lot easier to spread. The cheese is what is gonna hold the pinwheels together. These are like little fun bites. And sometimes I make these for Jade, for school, because it's a really easy thing for her to eat. And then I take a little bit of the giardiniera. See how colorful it is too? And I pick up the ham, and I just roll it tightly. Easy, 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 right? They're super fun. And what I do is I make a bunch of pinwheels, and then I put them in the fridge, and I let them get nice and chilled, and it makes it a lot easier to slice them later. Take a little giardiniera and put it right over the top. I'm gonna make the rest of my pinwheels